Makes this connection between the files and the trade deal? What is the agenda?
His agenda is that he wants to show that he is the safeguardian, the chief guardian of India's interests. And in the trade deal, India's interests have been compromised. It's completely wrong. This trade deal is a very good deal for India. Number two, and the more important thing is, this is work going on, work in progress. Number three, this is not the only deal. We've done one with the EU. And look, let's be very clear. Rahul Gandhi's mind is very difficult to. I have hosted him. I've hosted him in Brazil. I've hosted him in Geneva.
As a BJP person or as a diplomat?
I was an ambassador. He was there. I took him to the beaches of Rio de Janeiro. There are stories around. I've known Mr. Gandhi.
Would you like to say one of those?
This may not be the opportunity, ma'am. We can find many more
opportunities. That will also be a private note?
No. You see, it's one thing. If you and I know each other, and I send you a note, and I say that this was the context, you decide to break it, good, then I went public. Rest we will see. I'm making a very simple point. Why did he, after having the note, my colleague who is a cabinet minister, he's saying, वो पढ़ता नहीं है. तो आपने note दिया को मैंने नहीं दिया यार. मैंने जान के मैंने उससे पूछा, should I give you the facts in a note? He said, हाँ. I sent it through a common friend. Common friend said I gave it to him. But you know, you can take somebody to a cup to a, you know what? You can take a cup up to a lift.
Take a horse to the water.
But you can't make the horse drink. And I don't know, frankly. I don't know. And it doesn't even matter, by the way. I'll tell you something. He has done me a great favor.
Are you going to return the favor by disclosing the stories of Rio de Janeiro as you
I'm all discreet at the best of times. I'm discreet.
But there is a story there.
No, I didn't say that. No, I said I hosted him. There is a question of there being any story. Not at all. And I deny this. There's no story there. Let me also...
The beaches of Rio de Janeiro is something that you mentioned.
No, but I'll tell you something. There's another politician who was there with us. So Rolling Stones were going to play on Copacabana beach. So whilst we were on the beach, I asked saying the Rolling Stones are going to play. They had to leave a little. So I said, what number will they open on? So he said,
he as in?
This other politician, who was a member of parliament also now, he said they will open with Jumping Jack Flash. I said, no, they won't. I said, they will not open with Jumping Jack Flash. He said, how are you so sure? I said, because I watched Rolling Stone performances and I think they will open with another number. And I casually mentioned one number, Wind Me Up, and they opened with Wind Me Up. So he caught me, how did you know at that stage? I said, no, it just sometimes you get the musical tastes and what's going upon. So I was there in that open air beach. By the way, when I went
with Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi was part of another 3-member delegation. This is a conversation not with Rahul Gandhi, but one of the other members. So I was having fun. I wondered, why did I go to Brazil so late? I went there, the Rolling Stones concert, Carnival, etc., etc. But, I tell you something.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.